First, I want to show you an example of an AI agent I built earlier today called Meme. What Meme does is if you send it some text or CC it in an email, it will create a meme that has to do with that conversation. Make a meme about filming a product demo for Carly AI. So I've just given it a prompt and we're going to press send. So I just got the email from Meme back and let's see what it did. Filming a product demo for Carly AI, acting natural while hoping nothing breaks on the one take that's perfect. Solid meme. Now I'll show you how to build your own email agent. First, you're going to compose an email to carly@usecarly.com. Now you just describe what you want your email agent to do. Create a new email agent with access to memory and web search and no other tools. And let's call it hello. And the email should be hello@usecarly.com. Anybody should be able to email this agent, and the agent should respond to questions by looking at our website. And if the question that they're asked cannot be answered with the information in the website, it should CC my email into the thread where I can help with the question. Okay, so let's send that to Carly and see what she does. So it turns out that somebody already has hello@usecarly.com, so let's try a different email address to use ourselves. Okay, so then let's call the agent hello friend. Got the email back. Hello friend was open. Let's copy this email and give it a shot. What are you and who is Carly? What does she do? Also, if you want to view all your email agents, you can go to the website and be able to view them here. So here is hello friend, and we can see this is the prompt that Carly wrote with our instructions. So this is pretty good. I'm noticing that the actual website wasn't included in here. The agent will probably be able to understand based off of context what the website is, but I'm just going to add it just in case it doesn't. And so it's easier for the agent to retrieve. And if we go down, we could see all the different tools that we could have connected, but it's only web search and memory. We want this to be restricted because we're going to have random people emailing it. So we don't want it to have access to all of our data. We could, if we didn't want random people emailing it, require sender authorization, in which the agent would only respond to the person if they were in an approved contact list or after they contacted me and I said, yes, you can respond to this person. So hello friend has responded. This is not bad. I might try to play with the tone and the type of information it puts forth, but this is a pretty good start, and we did this in only a couple of minutes. If you want to build your own that can handle any part of your business, you can get started today at usecarly.com.